This is the cordless digital air inflator from Slick Products, the ultimate tool for instant air, anytime, anywhere. We've all been there. A flat tire, a deflated ball, and that old manual pump that just doesn't cut it. It's time for a smarter solution. Meet the Slick Cordless Digital Air Inflator. A compact, high-powered tool that delivers up to 140 psi. It's perfect for cars, bikes, motorcycles, sports balls, and more. Just turn it on, connect the nozzle, set your desired PSI, and press start. The LED display makes it easy to read, and it automatically stops when fully inflated. Need more than just air? The built-in LED flashlight helps in the dark. The red emergency blinker keeps you safe roadside. And yes, it even charges your phone with a built-in USB power bank. With a 2,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, you'll get 30 to 45 minutes of continuous use. It charges in just 2 to 3 hours, ready whenever you are. Whether you're inflating tires, balls, or even pool toys, this inflator has the power and precision you need, all in a lightweight portable design. Your purchase is backed by a 1-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's confidence in every pump. Stop wasting time and effort. Get the cordless digital air inflator from Slick Products today, because the right gear makes all the difference. Slick Products. Get slick. Stay inflated.